play. That sound I built from 1977. Don't play it, not my problem. We can't play artists and some boy can't play. Make could talk to them no.
I watch him and Jamie Everson for acid sound. Body sound, you know what I'm going to do in a slaughter. I want them ask for. Pussy them out get it. You see me I say Jamal? Share.
You see that little youth here?
I'm feeling a sound
hey,
again.
Noah, where you come from now? Let me try you.
But you have another sound for go keep. Them for your legs, so them blood them go spin. I say I watch Jamie Everson for acid sound. Body sound, you know what I'm going to do in a slaughter. I want them ask for. Pussy them out get it. You see me I say Jamal? Share.
Black Rose, anyway, Ready Master, digital. Roll on the man!
You have another sound for go keep. Them for your legs, so them blood go spill. I see sound a sound boy. I feel it when you play your dub. From bus gunshot in a face.
Hold on now.
Oh, I do them sound, yeah. I see that the baddest thing round, yeah.
Let me know when I come for play one bag and don't play it.
Majestic sound, you know.
Hold this! Some boy you play some little regular. Hold this!
That's the sound. What's the name of the Crispy Clouds.
Well, no, man.
You see that machine here?
I sit down. It's got a hold on me. I even direct Majestic sound.
Level! We not play the regular!
Swing! I sit down and come again. Yeah.
Show them now!
Well, no, man. Look. I sit down. It's got a hold on me. I sit down. It's got a hold on me.
Hold on, let me tell you something, Orlando.
Some smile, some fight every day. We rise.
You think we come out and play one bag and don't play it and board up or something?
What it takes.
Touch them!
We on, we survive.
Big up all selector, all sound owner.
Unchangeable.
Big up things, big up yourself, you. Whole star family, big up.
Matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace this
You
man.
see when me carry him come dance, right?
Life it's a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to me people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate.
Because
Let me be finished
you
this.
see that you here?
We ain't giving up now.
You see that you here? Touch them now. Touch them. Touch them. We are.
With 1 million megawatts of power, Crispy Clouds, Clement Rain.
November 21st, go sorry, innocent. Tell them now. We're not bored it. You see that little youth here?
I'm on the sun. Oh, we're winning right now. I said we're winning right now. If we get up now, we're living right now.
Look how take good times, right?
And I'm chilling right now.
Because make a chocolate sound now. Make a chocolate sound now.
Me so bad, I'm a proud of it. So
chocolate sound now.
can't tell me how to live. Me still a smoke no matter how bad my asthma is. And God know me like you make
When I come for disrespect no sound. And that me I teach him.
ways
Get some education and make some money.
to live.
So nobody now pay the $150 for playing a sound.
Still I go.
You're mad.
Me sing that
You're
thing.
mad.
You separate. Get the youth to have a dream. Just work and you need
Megawatts of
to
power, Crispy Clouds,
Nobody
Clement
tell you
Rain.
nothing, tell them so whatever them know and you come out to nothing.
Watch out.
Ain't no free to be yourself. Just live for you and nobody else. Look at first if you love is smoke. Love who you want to love. Live life with no regret.
Let them do it now.
Bad mind can't stop me now.
Ready? You ready?
Red light that make it closer, yeah. The youngest son of a destiny untouchable. And if you don't,
Punch it. Hold on now. They say, hold on. Second now, second. Here's some mother play some dub plate. Listen our own. Listen our own how we play dub plate. Exclusive. Touch it. No regular.
unusual,
What
yeah.
is some boy?
Tuna Slaughter, Jamal Shane, DJ Santi, madness.
Exclusive we are playing. Some boy, man. Somebody play some dub where every sound out.
Yeah.
Not clock down.
What I'm set to do and left the war. Yeah. One big fat black we a speech and fire. From some for dead the boy life get expired. Another song die. I say, what of them? She knows what potion and you better watch of power. Crispy Flaps, Jamal Shane, DJ Santi, madness.
Big up Mega Sensation, Mikey, big up you.
What's some boy?
From Blue Socky.
What's some boy feel like, eh? What I'm set to do and left the war. Hey, one big fat black we a speech and fire. From some to dead the boy life get expired. Another song die.
Let me know.
And then the bill will split bonnets and push it till the sky and make fly. Another mother cry.
Punchline, man, what up?
Yeah, lose them lie.
Them artists are not safe. So punchline.
Come follow me. Now we killing some more for free.
Hey, shoot them again. Shoot them again. Shoot them again. Look at the ladies in the crowd. Listen to me now.
Good morning.
Wow.
If you not with me, then I'm calling.
Listen to me.
I need to know where you are. I would go anywhere you are. Yeah. Good morning.
Yes.
You know I'm tired of me calling.
Yes. I'm going to tell you something about something. I don't know about Yasso, but anyway, I rather go with something. And the biggest politics. And the biggest politics and the biggest bad mind thing. Something worse than selling a stick of weed. Because every man I try to kill you, and every man I want to be the best. Me don't want to be the best, I want to collect the blood clot money. Touch the song! Touch the song, you!
Cause of iniquity.
Touch it!
Rastafari. My security.
Touch the song!
I'm going out and coming in.
Who we are working?
Yes, what work cause of iniquity.
With 1 million megawatts of power. Crispy Tops.
My security.
Three more! I go!
And I'm going out and coming in.
Three more, sorry, eh?
Never leave my Jaja. Keep us far from vampire.
How are we down?
Going out and coming in. Keep a fire eyes on.
Who we are working with?
Far from shit.
Tell bad mind, mister!
Walk with me, talk to me.
Please! Hold on. That youth here, in name Noah Power. Me, I'm gonna play an Orlando artist and writer, so she come from. Pretty dainty, anyway you're there, big up yourself. Play the tune, Noah.
You done say pretty dainty have to represent for Noah, DJ Noah Don. Acid sound back.
Listen!
Noah Don, Noah Don.
Listen! Orlando!
And dreams and the sound boys from before you were two.
Listen to me!
Noah Don, baby boy, do you think? Cause you're the baddest selector on ya. And you know how sound to sing. I love the way you select your music.
Because
Noah Don keep the girls moving. One for this, don't confuse it.
let's go play the final one, cause far we go.
Yes, you know a version, one version, I represent the sound acid. AMS and acid sound. I rough them up in a bad. Quiff them, acid.
Listen!
One version, acid sound.
Listen to the machine here.
Follow me then. I see have a brand new banger where you knock like a mango. So to like it's come on.
Acid Sound. With 1 million megawatts of power. Crispy Tops. Clarence Range. And Mega Bay.
AMS and you know a version, one version, I represent the sound acid. AMS and acid sound. I rough them up in a bad. Quiff them, acid. One version, acid sound. Quiff them. Follow me.
I see have a brand new banger where you knock like a mango. So to like it's come on. One way full of wave like banana, go too close like ango. So to like it's come on.
Tight now. Me have a message with some sound where I go on like them bad. When I start clash with Mighty Crown and base on this year make some money, when I go somewhere. Yeah, some man just want clash, who them know. Some boy want hype up and who them know. But then if your boy try to make my dub box deep. Anywhere. Vibes Cartel. Talk more fucking with me, son. Kick off your blood clot face now. Put up your money now, Cartel. The segment line up. Put up your money now. Get some kicker on the AC boy. I want you. Is not disrespect nobody, but you don't think the bad one. The sound I play good and I love it. Vibes. You have a mention it up.
Remember say a Black Rose me I play now. My way I do it.
You could have played Clean Rose. Kick it till the week.